Alright, boys, we're headed to the gym. 8 o'clock in the morning. About to get this back day in. But today's a different day. Today we're gonna go buy my dream car. So I'm gonna get this workout in, and then after that I'm gonna meet up with my boy, and we're gonna show you the car. Alright, let's do it. Let's go check out this car.
Lock it.
Hopefully everything goes smooth. Got my boy Cruz with the little Uber. You ready?
Ready to pick up your new car?
Alright, we're headed out. We're gonna go check out this car. Hopefully everything goes smooth. And we bring the baby home. We got my boy Cruz with the jams. I'm a little nervous. Okay.
Buy the car?
Yeah. I don't know. It's dude, like when I went to go buy my Mustang, this shit was like 50K, but it was whatever. Like, I didn't even give a fuck. Like, it was just whatever. This one's like a piece of shit, clapped out Z, and it's like, it makes me nervous because this is like my dream car.
Ain't you had one before?
I had a 350Z back in the day, back in high school.
This one's a 370?
Yeah, it's a 370. And it's a manual too. I haven't drove a manual in a while. Bought a stall like 5 times.
You haven't test driven it?
I drove it the other day one time, but I only took it like down the block. But I didn't stall. I was like, fuck that, I'm not gonna stall. You know how to drive manual?
Not kind of, but I'm not good at it.
I'm more nervous about the bags. This car's bagged, so I just don't want to fuck anything up. Watch out for this dummy right here.
Oh, nigga, you already out.
We're almost there. We got like about 5 hours left. Fucking driving at Narnia. God damn, it's traffic. And we got iPad kid in the back. All black, goth. Man,
Nigga.
look, I see it. It's right. Look.
See it? Wait. Oh.
Yo.
How the fuck did you see that?
See, it's my baby.
For real?
Bro. Nah, nigga. Everything was blocking it. How the
Hell
fuck
nah.
did you see
I
that?
see shit. All right. Don't worry about it.
Bro, that shit's...
Where you block? Don't block it. Don't block it. We're gonna whip it. Look how low. Look at the butt. Just look at the butt. Holy fuck! I love it. Dude, look at the stance. Oh my god, it's a little cambered. That's perfect. You're blocking it, man.
Man,
Fuck.
dude.
Get me out. Alright, boys, we made it. Here she is. It's got 3-piece wheels on it already. It's bagged. It's not gonna look like that. It's a fucking monster truck right now. It's also gonna give me these wheels right here. What's up, man? Today's the day.
Yeah.
I'm just recording for my YouTube.
Yeah, for sure.
It's air the hell up, right?
Yeah, dude, to get up the driveway.
Oh.
Yeah, because like I fucking hate scraping.
Is this a setting, or is this like where you click a button to where you can adjust it all the way up?
This is my preset. So like this.
Oh,
is
it's a
my
preset.
Yeah, this is my preset for like my speed bumps, and then like whenever there's bad roads. And
Yeah,
shit.
yeah.
And then I have the preset to whenever like you want to just drive low, like show off. It's the middle one.
Okay.
And then to air out, it's the one on the bottom. Like
This one's the top one,
yeah,
preset.
That's the highest one.
Okay. These are work wheels, right?
Yeah, they're work equipped. Work equipped
clips.
5s.
Okay. They're like 3-piece, right?
Yeah, 3-piece.
Manual. Nice. Can you air it out real quick?
Yeah.
I got iPad kid there. Shit. Damn.
Dude, that's
Sounds
so low,
sounds expensive.
Yeah, fucking expensive. Yeah, this fucking system's really expensive.
Fuck, man, I just love the fit, man. And
It's
that,
the most expensive system except for the 3H, but the 3H has the height sensors.
yeah.
But they say that those, they break off real easily. And it's only, I think, $150 more than this one.
Yeah.
This one I bought for $4,600.
Shit, man, that shit is so low.
Yeah, it's fucking slams.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We just fixed door handle.
I could fix it for you too. It's real easy. You just pop these off and there's 2 bolts.
Yeah.
Comes off.
Fuck, man. Be a pain in the ass getting in and out. Yeah.
This setup's fucking dope.
There's the bag system right here. Airlift. Look at her. Get in. Get in. Go ahead. Watch your head. Is it low?
Yeah.
Hey, go sit on the driver's side. Try to get in. Good.
Well, they're counting it right now. I'm pretty sure it's fine.
Yeah.
I trust you.
Yeah.
And the police siren. You want to know how to use it?
Yeah.
Siren in
Yeah.
This is police siren. It got short rams. Yeah, it has a fucking it has a speaker.
Yeah. So you pull this out, right? You literally just connect it.
It's
Connect it like this.
insane.
And then, so look.
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
When I'm waiting for you, I'm like, babe, come out. Let's go.
When you pull up to your knees.
Dude,
Hey, that's kind of illegal, right?
It's illegal as fuck.
It
but-
is, right?
Yeah. So you can hear it better. I don't know if you want to
Yeah.
do this. Yeah, because if you close it,
Yeah,
you sit in there, it sounds better. They'll range you brand new, custom, probably like $4,900.
Yeah,
almost
those
$5,000.
are up there.
Yep.
Thank you, mijo. Yeah.
This is one of them,
Uh-huh.
and then the other one, I believe, is one of the fronts.
You know how that happened? You hit a pothole?
I hit a piece of a curb.
Oh,
Like it was
fuck.
literally a piece of a curb in the middle
Yeah.
of the road.
And
Fell off of a truck.
these are a little concave too, right?
Yeah,
They're nice.
that's what I like about these.
Yeah.
And I ran them for like 2 years, I want to say.
Mhm.
3 years, I think.
Oh my god. Oh. There she is. There she is. Fuck. Yeah, hey, it doesn't sound too bad. It doesn't even sound rice. Hey, you know I bought a Tomei already?
You bought a Tomei?
Yeah.
No, dog. It's
Yeah.
some fucking.
Because what are these stocks or no?
No, they're DNA exhaust. It's
Okay.
titanium exhaust.
How much does that cost?
Probably like 350, 450.
Yeah, but you know how much Tomei goes for, right?
1,000.
Oh, I told her I had to get that shit. He sold her for
already
like
bought it?
$500.
Dude, oh shit.
Yeah, that's a steal,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
They
Where'd
go
you
for
get it from?
Brownsville.
Holy
Yeah,
fuck.
they go for like fucking 1,300.
They go for 13. No, brand new is like 1,200.
Yeah, and it's a single exit. It's gonna
Yeah.
look pretty fucking nice. All right, boys, we did it. We did it. Let's go. All ghetto. This one needs to be fixed, but that's fine. Shit. Ugh. Man, look at this. Babe, touch it. I just. All right, boys, first drive. Let's see. Hopefully, I don't stall. Oh, it's for YouTube. Oh shit. Oh shit. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, you see that? You see that? Feels good. Feels good to be back in the manual. I feel like Tokyo Drift right now. Yeah, man. Just cruising in my Z. Can't believe this happened. Now we go get some food. Let this soak in. Go look at colors later. All right, boys, we just got to the shop. The mechanic plug, my boy Alexis, he's gonna check out a few things on the car. Do it. No?
No.
Listen, not to air out.
This shit, nigga.
For real?
Yeah. You're like not much off.
This little shit, I almost scraped.
Because it went down right here.
Yeah.
This is not even at all.
Look at this damn Porsche. Pretty legit.
But that's it.
Hey, is that a yours?
No?
Yo. Damn, look at this shit. Oh shit, that's a whole Lambo. Damn, look at this shit. What's going on, man? How you been? Dude, this thing is fucking sick. That's forged, right? All right, so we just got to my boy's shop, Alexis, the mechanic plug. Just decided to swing by real quick so we can check out the whole car and see what I need to do and fix a few issues, you know, just small shit, you know, just door handles and shit. But he got some Lambos already, man. Check that out. Man, he had this shit fucking door off in like 5 seconds. That shit would have took me like 30 minutes.
Not even 30, bro.
Fucking an hour.
It would take an hour for you to find a video.
Yeah. Fuck that. I don't got the patience for that, man.
And then to take it off.
You really got this door off in like 1 minute. That's crazy, man. Check out this fucking Porsche right here. God damn.
That's what your Poison look like. Your Mustang.
Hey, don't tell them.
Oh.
They haven't seen it. Nah, it'll be done by the time I post this video.
Wasabi green one.
This video will be posted next year. Yeah. It's hot as shit. They're trying to figure out my car right now. Now we go
What are you gonna do with those?
go to the drive-thru right here, get some drinks. Some Four Locos. Four Locos. Hot as shit in Texas. We gotta cruise my detailer over here. Man, left for 5 minutes and another fucking Lambo pulled up. It's just insane. Man, check that out. Look at this shit.
Angle.
My angle? This is my angle or what?
This might be your angle.
Alright, boys. Some snow cones. You know where we're at. Where's coffee at? Look at that shit. Air it out.
Showering.
Damn. Well, this is the next stop.
Where do you want me to park it?
El Conejo. I don't know. Wait, hold on.
Rapero.
Park it over there. Look at that shit, man.
Just gotta hope there's no cars coming from left.
I cannot wait to wrap it. Alright, so we're here. We're gonna pick out wrap color, full send, get a new color going. This silver is not it. I go see my boy Chris. Go pick out some wrap colors for the new build. Look at this shit. This shit's crazy. Look at this fucking purple. Isn't this the same as the Mustang?
No, I think the other one was like more. Oh, the yellow Mustang?
Yeah. That looks exactly the same.
It is a limited edition, but it is in stock, and that's the color. I don't know if you remember, but that's one of the colors that we were looking.
A little behind the scenes. Look at this fucking Jeep right here. This shit is insane. It's like a gray, yeah, it's a gray, but then like in the lighting it's purple. This is nice as hell in person. Drop truck. Fucking possum, what the fuck? All right, boys, we did it. It's been a long ass day. Finally brought her home. Yeah, so we swung by Chris's shop and then we already placed the order on the wrap. I already got the wrap going. Picked out my color. And in a few weeks, she'll be wrapped. This shit's insane. It's fucking low. It's so damn wide too. My other wheels. We're in a car house. Look at that shit. Look at that. Not bad. It's tucking. Fuck. Thank you, mijo. Oh man, she's perfect. She's perfect. Z's in my sleep tonight. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. Bought my dream car. Pretty cheesy, but you know what? I'm pretty happy. Stay tuned. A lot of changes coming. Let's see what we can do with this one. Now we're gonna have this one and the Mustang build going on, so it's gonna be pretty fun. I really love this car, so pretty excited to see what we can do. All right, guys, thanks for watching. More videos coming soon.